Hey fans, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Tonight we are making tacos and we have everything that we need. We thought we did. We have all of our special toppings such as your cilantro, your onions, and your tomatoes, but we're missing one main thing for our tacos, salsa. So that's right, so tonight we are going to make an easy, hot, spicy red salsa for our tacos. So let's get this going. First, let's get our stovetop going. So for this salsa, we're just going to use 4 Roma tomatoes. Put them right on the skillet. Next, we're just going to boil our Chile De Arbols. For this recipe, I'm just only using about 10 Chile De Arbols. So Chile De Arbols, which is these guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not pretty clearly, but they're pretty spicy. They're about, I don't know, compared to a jalapeno, they're a lot spicier than a jalapeno. So we're using 10 of them tonight. So if it's a little too hot, we might just throw in another tomato just to kind of taper that heat down a little bit. Also too, when picking out tomatoes for your salsa, to me, my family prefers Roma tomatoes over like tomatoes on the vine. We just think they have a much better flavor for your salsas. So just make sure that your tomatoes are roasting like they are right here. This was my first flip. I'll probably flip these guys like probably 2 more times, but I want these guys nice and black and just blistering. And then one more check on our chilies. I'll probably take these out here in another minute. Next, I'm a sucker for sauteed onions and such, so we're just gonna saute some onions first. And next, we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of our cilantro, saute that too with the onions. I want these babies nice, dark, and golden. It's gonna be beautiful. The smell already is driving me crazy. I'm so hungry. And for the chilies, once the water starts changing color, as you can see here, that's when I'll take the chilies out. Let's pour these in a separate bowl. This is what we're looking for on those tomatoes. When they're starting to burst and blister. Absolutely, these are looking so good. And these sauteed onions and cilantro is just mind-blowing right now. It smells so good in this kitchen, the aroma, my goodness. So then we are just going to pour those sauteed onions and cilantro with our chili on the bowls. So I went to 2 stores today looking for fresh garlic and both were out. So luckily when I came back home, opened the refrigerator and I had a little bit of this minced garlic in a jar. So I've used it in the past. It's not as good as fresh garlic by any means, but it will do the job for what I'm looking for give you that garlic taste with our salsa for tonight. So we'll use about a 1/2 teaspoon of this minced garlic. These Roma tomatoes are looking perfect. We're about to shut these off right now and get them and put everything into the blender. And then we just salt to taste. Get the tortillas going, right on stove top. I double up. So now we gotta taste test it, which is my favorite part of making salsas, is the taste testing. Like I said, we are making tacos. We made tacos tonight, so we need salsas for our tacos. Normally I would do a chip tasting test, but we are going to go with the salsa test on the tacos. Tonight's tacos are a carne asada. Super good. And this guy is hot because just when we got done blending, I took a little, I was immediately coughing, so I knew it was going to be good. This is so good. The perfect red salsa for your tacos. It's the perfect heat. Let's take one more look at that color of this salsa. It is so good. It is like straight up taqueria style. It is, oh my God, delicious. So there you have it, guys, the perfect red salsa for your tacos. I hope you enjoyed this video. We post a new video every Thursday, so look forward to the next one. I think next Thursday we will be making a green salsa for your tacos, so look forward to that one. Come back and check that one out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye.